Welcome to Teknovyra, where future and innovation collide.
Robots aren't just a sci-fi fantasy anymore, they're here, and they're changing everything. Today at Teknovyra, we're exploring how advanced robotics are enhancing our productivity, making workplaces safer, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. From humanoids to industrial arms and service bots, these machines are becoming collaborators, not just tools. Let's dive into the state of robotics in 2024. Meet Digit from Agility Robotics, a robot built for last-mile delivery. With its unique legs and sensor-packed torso, Digit can walk upstairs, step over curbs, and carry packages up to 40 pounds. It navigates unpredictable environments using LiDAR and advanced sensors, adapting on the fly. Ford has already tested Digit alongside self-driving vans, letting the robot handle the tricky final stretch to your door. Digit folds up for storage, unfolds to work, and is designed for seamless human-robot collaboration. It's not about replacing people, it's about solving real-world problems with practical, efficient design. Digit is a glimpse at how robots are integrating into our daily logistics. Now let's talk about Pepper from SoftBank Robotics, the friendly face of social robots. You've seen Pepper in airports and malls, greeting people and answering questions. Its strength is reading human emotions using cameras, microphones, and touch sensors, tailoring responses to your mood. Pepper never gets tired, speaks multiple languages, and is used in retail, healthcare, and education. It's not just a greeter, it collects valuable data, helping businesses improve customer experience. Pepper shows robots can fill social roles, not just industrial ones. The challenge is making interactions feel genuine, and as AI improves, Pepper's conversations get more dynamic. Social robots like Pepper are redefining how we interact with technology. Atlas from Boston Dynamics is the athlete of the robot world. Famous for its viral parkour videos, Atlas can run, jump, and perform backflips, showcasing the limits of bipedal robotics. Originally designed for disaster response, Atlas navigates rubble and unstable terrain with human-like agility. Its control system uses real-time sensor data for balance and movement, mimicking an athlete's coordination. While not for sale, Atlas's technology is shaping the next generation of robots. Lessons from Atlas are already influencing commercial bots like Spot. Atlas is the moonshot-inspiring robotics future. Enter Spot, the four-legged robot from Boston Dynamics built for real-world work. Spot's mobility lets it patrol construction sites, oil rigs and mines, carrying sensors for inspections and safety checks. It handles stairs, rough terrain, and can right itself if knocked over. Companies use Spot to collect data, monitor progress, and spot hazards, keeping people out of harm's way. Spot's adaptability means it can be deployed almost anywhere, programmed for daily missions. It's a versatile tool, not just a novelty, and is already in use worldwide. Spot proves robots can be our eyes and ears in tough environments. In Japan, HRP-5P tackles construction's toughest jobs. Built to address labor shortages, this humanoid robot installs drywall, handles heavy materials, and works alongside humans. Its advanced sensors and AI give it strength, dexterity, and the ability to operate in tight spaces. HRP-5P is designed to take on dangerous, physically demanding tasks, making construction safer and more sustainable. As it evolves, it could help build homes, ships, and even assist in disaster relief. HRP-5P is a solution to real economic and demographic challenges. For delicate tasks, meet Serena 4, a robotic arm with a gentle touch. Developed by Zamla, Serena 4 handles fragile objects, from fruit to lab equipment, with precision. Its AI and vision systems estimate weight, identify weak points, and apply just the right pressure. The arm's flexibility mimics a human's, but the real magic is in its learning, adapting to new objects through trial and error. Serena 4's potential spans manufacturing, logistics, and even medical assistance. It's moving robotics beyond brute force to nuanced, intelligent interaction. Serena 4 is the next step in robotic dexterity. Dive deep with Aquanaut from Nauticus Robotics, a robot that transforms underwater. It travels as a streamlined submarine, then morphs into a work-class ROV with robotic arms for complex tasks. Aquanaut operates autonomously, inspecting pipelines and structures, and can be remotely controlled for precision work. This dual-mode design cuts costs and boosts safety for offshore industries. Aquanaut is built specifically for the ocean's challenges, pushing robotics into new frontiers. The robot revolution is happening beneath the waves too. Robotics is even changing entertainment. Just look at Disney's Stuntronics. These animatronic figures perform aerial stunts as superheroes, using sensors and real-time control to flip and pose mid-air. Stuntronics sense their trajectory and adjust limbs for perfect landings, all autonomously. They create spectacles too risky for humans, blending engineering with storytelling. It's not about replacing performers, but expanding what's possible on stage. Robotics is now part of the magic. In warehouses, Handle from Boston Dynamics, now Hyundai, is revolutionizing logistics. With wheels for speed and a dynamic balancing system, Handle moves and stacks boxes with precision. Its suction gripper and long arm let it reach deep into pallets, moving hundreds of boxes per hour. Handle is more flexible than conveyor belts and more efficient than legged robots for this environment. It frees up humans for complex tasks, streamlining the supply chain. Handle is the ultimate warehouse workhorse. Robotics isn't the future, it's the present, transforming industries from logistics to entertainment. These machines aren't replacing us, they're our partners, taking on dangerous and repetitive tasks so we can focus on what humans do best. The pace of innovation is only accelerating, and what's groundbreaking today will be standard tomorrow. At Teknovyra, we'll keep bringing you the latest breakthroughs shaping our world. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Enjoyed the future? Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to Teknovyra.